Hi guys and welcome to Infamous 5. Recently an incident happened in Afghanistan where a US army official very conveniently killed 16 of Afghani civilians, 9 of them being kids and few of them being females along with 16 people. So here we are talking about this very important issue that we thought should be discussed amongst the youth, and let's take our point of view and see what all we have to say about this topic. So starting off from Maliha.
The fact that it was said that he was going through some brain injury and whatever.
In the past, he had some brain injury.
In the past, he had some brain injury, and then that nobody else was involved. And it was just one person alone, and it wasn't part of any operation. Well, I don't believe that at all. I'm sure it was a lot of soldiers. Like they do have these nitrates and whatever, and they just did it because they do things like that.
They maybe if this was all planned. तो जो अभी पिछले साल वो हुआ था नवंबर में 26 सोल्जर्स को शहीद किया था हमारी चेक पोस्ट पे, तो वो एक नाइट्रेट था और वो भी उन्होंने कहा था कि एक्सीडेंट था. तो आई थिंक दिस
all these attacks are pre-planned.
I feel that
it's already pre-planned because you can't go and kill people.
Yeah,
like 16 people right in front of you.
He was alone, and even the US and NATO officials have very conveniently taken off their hands, and they said this was not planned, this was not our responsibility. That person did whatever he did because of his own personal
He was
reasons.
a US soldier, which is why he is the responsibility.
My question is, where it comes to Taliban or all these bomb attacks, and you know how US very strictly take them into prison and do whatever treatments they have. How come this person has not been held responsible, or none of the actions have taken place except Obama apologizing to the Afghan president?
What else can they do? They can't bring those people back, can they? All they can do is apologize.
Why not? When you're talking about equal rights and justice, then if this person did something wrong, he should be equally punished. He should be given the same treatment as जैसे वो jails में होता था, which was a
Guantanamo.
I think
Guantanamo Bay.
I think that if they take any action on that soldier, so other soldiers who are with them, like they're not showing their faces or names in front of the media, but they will be like they'll quit the army. They'll just come back. Yes, that's what the US government doesn't want. That's why they just took one of this guy's name and told him. It's probably a lie that he had a brain damage.
Let other soldiers do whatever they want to do and not take any action.
They shouldn't do that. I'm saying they shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
But what the US government are doing right now, for like saving their government, they're saving their army. That's why they're not taking more names.
And also this whole issue has raised another question as to after the 10 years of
why are they still in Afghanistan?
Why are they still in Afghanistan, considering the fact that Osama bin Laden
has
been killed
for the
by them
time, I think.
Yeah.
Really?
Whatever the facts are
he's been killed
behind
so many times.
this, several times he was caught and
so
killed.
It's possible that he could still be alive, which is why maybe that would be the reason
maybe
they come up with that maybe he's still alive.
Purpose which has still not been achieved, because I remember, I guess it was few months back or a year back, I don't particularly know the date, but I did hear there was a news that US troops will move out from Afghanistan.
That's right after Osama bin Laden.
But
I feel they keep on coming up with new people to pick on, and they keep on spreading these own things on their own telling
Balochistan now.
Yeah, I think Afghanistan was just one way of entering Pakistan.
They want to come to Balochistan, but they want a really strong reason that they could move there.
Yeah.
Now, like for example, in that Afghanistan thing, they're saying Osama bin Laden, they took him as a reason to come to Afghanistan, take over Afghanistan. So I'm saying they're probably going to search for a reason in Balochistan. One of those, koi Dawn hoga waka, ya koi bada koi terrorist group hoga Balochistan. Balochistan does have these kind of groups.
And because of
they have groups which are very dangerous for the world. So they could go and they take action. They're like, FBI.
Why don't they solve issues within their own country? I mean, I'm sure they have terrorists and people within their own country. It's not a perfect country.
If someone's been like
open
fires within the university, then that person has some mental sickness. Okay, but if that same incident happens in our country, it's considered terrorism.
Why can't they pick on their own people? Why is it our country, our neighboring countries?
I feel that they look for reasons in order to enter certain countries because they're rich in certain resources, or they have
which is where I would like to bring something else in, if I hope it's not a problem, even though I know this is about those kids who were killed, this whole Kony thing, this video that has gone viral,
Thanks to the social media.
Yeah, there was an article I read in the morning which said that why believe that this is true? Why couldn't this be an American propaganda for the troops to enter Uganda and take over there?
Right.
What proof is there of the video being accurate, or what proof is there of the video being perfectly
Africa
true?
has been under war for the past 20 years, 30 years. Somalia, Africa, all the countries there because of the diamonds and the treasures.
So
And
again,
now
why is it that the US is supporting them and nobody else? Why is it the
This
US?
point comes that they are looking for a reason to take over our country.
Dominance.
So now they're taking
Yeah.
that Kony guy as a reason. That's how I read in the article. I don't believe it or whatever. That's a different issue.
he doesn't
That's a
believe it.
different issue. But I'm saying, but now I realized that when I was reading the article that it can be true when I look back in Afghanistan, now Balochistan. So now they want to take part of Africa as well.
They want to take over the world.
But
So
I
No,
understand
you know why they're
whatever
doing
their
that? You know
hidden
why they're
plans
doing
are.
that? They're doing this.
Let US, like I'm sure US has very hidden purposes behind entering all these nations. They entered into Afghanistan, then they moved to Iraq. And now
Iraq.
they're trying their ways to come into our country. But my question is, what are we as people doing? Why can't we question this 16 killing of Afghan civilians? Be it
because
you know,
our government is
Our
also in full
government-
support of the US.
Why are we
Americans.
supporting the government? by
You
not
asked Mr.
saying
Zardari
anything?
that.
Huh?
No, it's not that. Our
Zardari,
government,
because
our
No,
government
but then
does.
what are we as a nation doing? If we consider our government doing something wrong, why don't we step out and question
And
the
what
government
can
as to
we
why
do
they're
when our
supporting?
government doesn't
Okay, now
support
where-
our
where
government?
you're
You're
going-
saying
no,
if
listen.
Egypt
Aisha.
से revolution आ सकती है, if all these Arab countries can have a revolution, why is it so difficult for
Because
our
we're not
nation
those
to
kind
step
of
out?
people. We don't stand up for what's right. We just let things
that's-
slide.
No, I'm
that's
saying-
us. That's us.
We
We
Listen,
need to
as a
change.
nation ourselves bow down for these Western countries. उनके वीजे के लिए हम मरते हैं,
हाँ.
Yeah.
उनकी पूजा
That's
करते
true.
हैं.
अच्छा अभी
And मेरा point फिर भी I think we've also said it in our previous shows, not in Famous Five, but I'm sure some other shows पे भी हमने बात cover की है कि you will not step out and raise your voice until and unless the same incident happens with you,
Yeah.
or you experience something similar where you lose your loved ones in such incidents.
My
But
point
Aisha-
here being is, if why do they make such a big deal about their soldiers being killed when our people are killed and it doesn't really make a difference? उनका कोई एक बंदा मर जाता
The
है,
entire world
which is
को
a
हिला
big
देते
deal,
हैं.
exactly, and it's all over the news. It's a really big deal. But people who die in our own country every day because of them or in our neighboring countries, that's
Because
just
we ourselves
एक
don't
मिनट
again,
की
no,
बात
I'm
करके
saying
इसको
you can't,
दबा
you guys,
देते हैं.
we can't say anything right now. We can't say anything. We, as a like a youth right now, we can't say anything.
Why?
'Cause
Why not?
the same
We
things
are the
happen in
ones who
our
will bring a
country.
change.
People are gonna say, why don't you guys fix our country? We're saying, why don't Americans fix their country? Why
No,
can't
no, we are talking about
Dude,
fixing our
Pakistan,
country, man.
Pakistan is very like right now, like nowadays, Pakistan has become more of like a
Listen, I'll
dangerous
tell you.
country right now.
According to
People are getting killed, bomb blast हो रहे हैं, Peshawar में हो रहे हैं. You can see it every day.
How
every
far
day.
can we go? We are
That's what
actually
I'm
having
saying.
bomb blasts
Fix
in
this. That's what I'm saying.
graveyards
You guys used to say first fix the other's country. Like American हर जगह घुस रही है.
You start with yourself.
That's what I'm saying. Start with yourself. पहले ये सब खत्म
तो
करो.
वही तो मेरी
ये यहाँ
बात
पे जो
आके
politics है, यहाँ पे जो government
कि
है.
US चलो whatever they're doing in Pakistan, we as a nation are actually not doing anything about it. And be very honest, what are we exactly doing about this? Why aren't we going out and questioning our leaders? We anyways do not support our leaders in first place, right?
Yeah.
Every person I know is against the current government or in the past government. We've all been criticizing that, but are we doing anything more than this?
But then Aisha, I ask you, what can we do?
But
Other
our
than criticizing,
accent-
what can we do?
We can
We
How?
can't. we-
What?
it only requires us all to become one nation, become one, and we
And
have the
that's
power
going to
of
take a
doing.
long time to do.
Yeah,
But even
But
though it takes a
eventually,
long
if you
time,
take
but
a
we're gonna have a
first step,
strong
we
group
just
of
need to
people
take
to
that
do
first
it.
step.
And who's
And
going to
then
take that first
that
step?
has to be you, that has to be me, that has to be
It has to be the youth.
So then let's
the
take
next
the
Why not
step
just
and
the
see
youth?
where
I'm
we go.
sorry, I think the
But
youth
I
is-
think the youth will
is
make a
the word that's
difference.
just being utilized, but honestly, what platform does
Targeted.
the youth have except the social media? And they
Yes.
do not. You know, my question still goes back. I don't think the youth has gotten a proper guidance,
Yeah.
but they're just trying to do whatever they can on their own.
At least the ones who are influential personalities, those really make a difference, and
Yeah.
they need to step
Yeah.
up first.
So I guess on this note, we're going to end this show. We're going to leave you with the thought as to what you and I are doing as a nation and why such incidents are happening around us again and again and
And
again.
why is no
And
one
why
Why
stopping
you
these
and I are
people?
enjoying our life, sitting at home,
people
working,
getting
partying, and being with friends. Just have this thought, and if you have any more comments regarding this topic, you can post it down or send it on our email address. We'll see you next week
Yeah.
then. Till then, bye.